Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is officially spring, so in celebration of that I thought I'd go on H&M, have a look at a few bits and pieces, as you all loved that video last time, and my goodness, this is going to be a good one. The amount of pieces I found was absolutely amazing. So of course I have a huge box which we're going to unbox together and try on all the clothes and see what's new in H&M. Alright, let's have a look into it. Here we go, we have a lot of bits and pieces, and already I can see some bits which I'm really looking forward to opening. I am literally going to start straight away, and to start off with, I got this gorgeous tank top. So it has this sort of detailing, it's laced around here. It'll be good for holidays, good for spring, and I just love the lace detail. It's very classy, and actually it will go very nicely with the skirt that I'm wearing. Firstly, I'm just showing you the top like this just to show you the length, but I wouldn't style this top this way. When wearing this, I would tuck it in, and as you can see, it's very lightweight, which is ideal for the summer weather. But I just love the detailing, which is different from your typical tank top, because we have the lace here, and then we have a ribbed texture for the main part of the body. It's a basic that's a little bit elevated. It's a beautiful chocolate brown colour, which I love. And overall, it's just a very sweet piece, which I do like. The next top I got is a little bit corsety. It's structured. It's pretty much like a structured top corset style in this lovely brown. It's very warm toned, even it's like green khaki coloured to it, and I just thought it's quite a nice colour, and I just like the fit, and I'm really intrigued to see how this is going to look on. It has a slight peplumness to the body or the bottom. So yes, you probably can't see it well as I'm showing you, but you'll see in a second how it looks like styled on. Now this top is also such a lovely piece. I like the boning here as well, which just adds a bit of shape to the top. And there is a slight peplum as well, which is nice. Also, for those who are bigger chested, there is plenty of room in here. Like, I've got a lot of room as well. So if you are possibly bigger chested than me, you would fit in this quite nicely as well, which I like that they've considered that, because sometimes these corsets can be so tight and it's just uncomfortable. I like the structuredness with this, and I think if you like to dress a bit more casual, then this paired with a nice pair of jeans could look really nice as well and a bit of fun. So yes, I think this is a fun transitional piece for the springtime. Something that's just a bit more casual, but I like the more structured corset fit as well. So I really like this. I then saw a pair of jeans on here, which I just thought looks really pretty. They are a sage green, which I haven't got any jeans in this colour, but I thought it's a really beautiful colour, and it's a beautiful quality now that I feel it. It's quite lightweight, and actually I think this is going to go really well with a lot of pieces. I'm envisioning this with a cream top, and I think this has so much potential. It's a staple for your wardrobe, but it's just a lovely colour and just makes it that little bit different. So I am now wearing the sage green jeans. I'm going to stand forward a bit so you can see me in the mirror, but I would suggest sizing up for this. Even though these do fit me and they're tight, they probably would stretch after a good wash. But if you want a nice comfortable fit, then I would suggest sizing up. But that's the problem with jeans, no matter where you buy them. One place you're a size 10, another place you're a size 8, and another place you're a size 12. It's never consistent, and that's just how it is for women's sizes. So yeah, I think this is such a lovely outfit. It's not really something I would typically wear pairing these together, but if we're deciding on the jeans alone, then I do like these. I think they're just going to need a bit of a wash just to stretch out a bit. I'm going to pair this with a top that I got now, which I think will complement it very well. My purpose for this shop is to look for tops that are just a bit different, as I have all your basics, but now I'm just wanting things that are very out there. So I got this top. I thought this was a skirt for a second. I thought, I don't remember ordering this, but this is a top. Now I just realized this is going to look like nothing, so I need to show it on, and I'm going to pair it with the green trousers I just showed you, because I just vision these two looking absolutely beautiful together. I have never worn a top like this before. Okay, I am wearing a black bra, so it is a bit see-through, but it is a very fine netting material. But if you just wore like a beige nude bra, then that would be absolutely fine. But I just like the shape of this. The cut's something that's a bit different. It's very lightweight as well, and you can style this up or style this down. So right now I am just pairing it with the sage green jeans, which the more I'm wearing, the more I'm realizing I need to size up. But I just think it is a really pretty piece. What I like about this cut is if you're a little bit like me and a little bit insecure about your arms, then it just sort of hides it a little bit, and it has a lovely effect which just looks really nice as well. So if you are into a bit more of a classy, elegant style like me, then this is definitely a top that I think you'd quite like. But it is just like really pretty overall. I do like this. Now, I only wanted to get one pair of shoes, so I wanted to find one that is going to complement with pretty much every single thing that I am wearing in this haul. And I thought, why not get some brown, I think it's faux suede loafers. And how beautiful are these? I love the beautiful gold detailing, and they feel very lovely to the touch. But I just like how you can just slip these on. They look quite classy, they're very elegant and very much my style. And I think this will be a great transition piece for spring, summer and even autumn. I'm going to be trying on these brown shoes. I don't know if you can see, so I might walk closer to you so you can see in the mirror. There we go. Hopefully you can see the shoes that I'm wearing. So yeah, it's very casual, which is what I like. I think that if you just want something to slip on, and again, you can dress this up, dress this down. So right now I'm in like a half dressed up, dressed down outfit, which I think maybe I probably wouldn't wear those with, but it does work. Now for the final accessory, I wasn't planning on getting anything like this, but I saw it, and to be honest, my mind was blown, because look how gorgeous is this bag. It needs a bit of shaping just because it's been scrunched up in this box, but I can just imagine wearing this with a gorgeous dress, and it'll be perfect for going on holiday with a beautiful detailing handle. So bear in mind, it's looking a bit scrunched up right now, but when I style it, I'll get it all straightened out so you can see. But this is beautiful. How pretty is this bag? I think this is perfect for going on holiday when you are like going out for an evening. Even with this top, it complements it so well. And I think I'm going to mix and match this with a few other outfits that we got, just so you can get a full idea of how this looks. But I just love the detail, and I'll show you inside. It's just quite simple. It literally has quite a lot of room actually. You can definitely fit your keys, your phone, your purse, a little bit of lipstick, maybe a bit of makeup, a bit of perfume, just all the essentials really. And I love to carry a lot, so yeah. I still need to sort out the shape of this, but I think it's one of those that after a bit of time and use, it'll just sort of mold into the shape that you want. But I like the full look of it as well. Like, this has got nothing in, but it looks full. Sometimes when you have a bag like this, it looks really flat and just a bit like deflated. So I like that it looks full even when there's literally nothing inside. But this is such a cute little staple piece. Now, I love a summer dress. The only problem is, because of my figure, I really struggle to find some, especially flowy ones, that suit me. So this is a bit of an experimentation for me. But I saw this cream polka dot dress and I just thought, I like the look of this. And I've been in the market for wanting one. So it's a long summery dress that I think will look really pretty. I'm wanting to go to some events this year, and I think this will look really nice going to, for example, some polo matches, or for a little, I don't know, like possibly even horse racing. I don't know yet. I need to try it on and see how it looks like, and hopefully it will suit me. But so far, I just love how it looks already. So we can be the judge of that in a moment. Now this is so pretty. Bear in mind, this needs a bit of an iron, a bit of a steam at the bottom, so it is looking a bit flat and crinkled down here, but you're always going to get that with the new dress. You need to just iron it out. But I just love the little butter yellow colour. It's like it's a bit of a cream, all the polka dots. I'll show you the back. It is a backless dress, so it does up. Oh, I haven't pulled it up all the way. There's any problem, I'm home alone. I can't get Matthew to do the back of the zip, so bear in mind with that. But it's so pretty. Pair this with a nice little hat Or I don't know if this bag will go. It's okay, maybe not this bag, but you get what I mean. Even like a lovely straw bag. This could be such a very summery outfit. It's making me think of Audrey Hepburn for some reason. But polka dots were very much in last summer. I believe they're in this summer, so it's a gorgeous staple to have. I must admit, when I wear this, I feel very pretty. I feel very feminine, and it's just such a lovely cut as well. So beautiful. I need to tie this better as well, but the thing is, I'm by myself right now, so we're doing the best that we can do. Now, I'm wanting more colours for spring. So I have found some light blue, almost like a denim colour, but these are some tailored trousers, which I have worn tailored trousers from H&M before, and they do have a lovely cut at such an affordable price. And this is a linen blend, so that it is a bit more pricey. I think I paid... I can't even tell you how much I paid, it's not here, but this is a linen blend. It does have a matching blazer, which I did not get today, and it's just your typical tailored trouser. And again, I thought this would look really lovely with cream white pieces, and it's such a light colour that will look gorgeous for the spring weather. And I love to dress a bit classy. I mean, look at me, I'm literally wearing a blue striped shirt, so again, I feel like even this would pair quite nicely together. So yes, quite chuffed with this. And this is very similar to the top I showed you beforehand. This is going to look like absolutely nothing as I show it to you. So this is a top that this mesh bit is meant to go over your shoulders, and I got this because I thought this looks so different. It's really pretty. So we're just going to cut straight away because you'll probably have no idea what I'm on about. Now, this whole combination I absolutely love. I'm going to be honest, I took about a couple minutes trying to get this top on, more because I was getting confused, but I got it on at the end. But this is definitely one for an evening out, at least a top. And then the blue trousers, you can wear a bit more casually. I love the flow in the leg, which I'll just show you in the mirror. Like, there's a lot of flow. It's really nice as well. So it's just such a lovely, classy look. Now, I will be honest, you definitely don't want to wear this top, you know, like just being casual, like, you know, going shopping. Like, it just would be a bit weird having it slanted, and then you've got to like sort out your sleeves again. So this is definitely one, like, let's say if you're going on a dinner date, a nice evening out. It's just so subtle and beautiful. Again, it's a similar situation to the previous top. You can see my black bra through it, so you want to wear something that's nude coloured, which I don't have prepared for this video, but it is what it is. But I just like the ruffle detail as well. It just looks so lovely and just adds a bit of interest to this top rather than it just being like flat. So yeah, I think this is a really classy look and I really like this. I do like to wear a short skirt, but I'm just realising how short this is, so I might not like this, but we'll see. I just really like the colour, and I mean, who knows, I might really like this, I might not, but I think it's a beautiful colour and I thought this could pair well quite nicely with some bits that I'd got. So yes, I like this. We'll try it on and see how it looks. But before I do, I'm just going to quickly open this top, which I want to style together. And this is a very beautiful detailed top, which has this beautiful woven pattern, very holiday-esque, and I was just very intrigued to try this. So such a beautiful design. It's got a little bit of lace at the bottom, I think, or maybe not, I don't know. Yes, it is lace, it is different. So yes, I think this is beautiful, and this could look really nice on top of a bikini on a beach day as well. So I think this is a great piece to transition from spring to summer and has quite a boho vibe. Okay, so here is the next outfit, and I'm gonna be honest, I like the skirt a bit more than I thought I would. It is a little bit too short of my liking, and the reason why is one thing I always forget is that mini skirts are now made for low-waisted, and I like to wear it high-waisted. So because of that, they always come up a bit shorter than I'd like. But then I look at myself in the mirror and actually it's okay, like nothing is showing, it's cute. But I think the top's really pretty, and actually I think this overall outfit would be really lovely for a holiday. Like, I'm thinking if I go to a holiday to maybe like Italy or something, then this would be such a cute outfit to wear, and I think it's such a nice combination as well. So yeah, this top as well, I think is absolutely stunning. It's so light, cute and boho, and I love the cut of it as well. And I can see myself wearing it if I'm going on holiday. I have a bikini on underneath, and then, you know, you're going to the pool, then you can just take it off. You've got your bikini in because it is a little bit see-through, which is okay. That doesn't scare me off. But yeah, for some reason, I'm liking this outfit more than I thought I would. I was looking at the clothes just as I was about to put them on, and I was thinking, oh, I don't know about this. But actually, this looks really cute. I quite like this. Now, I've got two more pieces to show you. So to start off, I've been desperate to get a pair of just loose, linen-esque, flowy trousers. This is a linen blend, so it feels lovely, and I just think it's such a gorgeous piece to have on those warmer days, or even in the summer when it's a little bit chilly and you want something a bit longer. It can look so classy, even paired with a beautiful top, something light, and you can even style this up too. They're so versatile, and I just have been desperate to get one. And then for the final top, I got this one, which I saw online. I just thought, oh, it's so pretty. It is a satin material, and it has a beautiful fit. So this is what it looks like. It's very Mamma Mia-esque, and I just love the sleeves. They're so puffed, so sweet, and I just love the detailing. That is very vintage style. Like, to me, I look at it and honestly think the 50s or something. So I thought that would pair really nicely with those trousers, which we're going to try on right now. This outfit is also very cute, and again, I've paired it with the bag just because this has been so versatile. I've worn it for quite a few outfits already, and it's all just complemented it really well, which is what I like. But putting focus on the top, this is a beautiful satin material, and I really like it. I think this is going to be really pretty for spring, summer. It just looks a bit different than wearing a normal t-shirt, and it's very lightweight as well. Then the satin trousers are really pretty. They got pockets, as you can see. They're a linen blend material, which you can see that, and they feel so light and very comfy. And if you're just wanting something that's a bit more casual that you can just throw on and lounge around in, but it being very lightweight, then this is definitely one for you. And I think this is going to be a great piece for the springtime. I'm also have my eyes on some blue and white striped ones as well. So this is all together really pretty, and I just love how it looks all together as an outfit. I think they complement each other so well, and I know this is going to complement with other pieces as well, which is what I wanted with the bits that I got. I wanted everything that's going to mix and match and just look really nice together. It is like an essential spring wardrobe that you can just have, and it's all going to look really nicely together. So everyone, comment down below which was your favourite piece. I'm going to leave a link to my Shop My account, which will have all of these linked below, so you can shop these. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want more hauls, as I'm happy to do so. So yes, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.